Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing HoloDex in 2026, and honestly, this one is pretty interesting, but it's not perfect. So first off, the app's instant card scanning is actually really solid. You point your camera at a card, and it pulls up prices, trends, and details in seconds. Super handy for quick checks. It also has portfolio tracking, wish lists, and price alerts, which makes it great for keeping your collection organized. Now the big feature is the AI grading. It tries to estimate things like centering and corners to give a PSA-style grade, but I wouldn't rely on it too heavily. It's more of a rough guide than an actual grading tool. Pricing is around a few dollars a week, so it's not cheap long-term. Pros: clean UI, fast scanning, great for casual collectors. Cons: inconsistent AI grading and missing data for some games. Compared to apps like ManaBox, serious collectors might prefer alternatives. Bottom line, great for casual users, not for serious grading.